Boy, this new norm has taken us by storm. Wow, we need something new for our students and parents, teachers, and everyone. I don't know what we can come up with. Let me see. Hi everyone, we are officially on YouTube. Yes sir, we're cooking up a storm at ORPS, Ocho Primary School, 5-star School of Excellence. I am Suzette Barnes Wilson, Principal. We need your support to go live on YouTube. We need at least 1,000 subscribers. We need you to tell your friend, tell another friend, past students, parents, everybody, community workers. We need you to get on board, man. Subscribe to our channel. We need you. Guess what? We're going to be having a lot of fun, super fun activities. But you need to get on board. And so we want everybody to tell somebody to subscribe to our channel. And guess what? To mark our 1,000 subscribers, we will be giving away an amazing gift card. Yes, sir. So how you know you're going to get it? You have to subscribe. Subscribe. Will it be you? It can be you. Subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. ORPS YouTube channel. Get on board. We need you. Peace. Love you.